Hmm. Um, we got lots to do today. Anyone got any questions from what we did last lesson that they're not sure about? Everyone remember where the raise hand button is, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good. Did you have a question, Ruben, or are you just showing me that you know where the hand is? You know what we'll do? We're going to go, there's a homework on this. What I'm going to do is assume that something like this came up in the exam, and you've got all the instructions in the question here. And what I want to do is it's a test of how well you can follow the instructions in the question. So let's have a go at number 7 there. So this is a very important line to read in the question. Yeah. So this is a test of how good you can follow instructions. So everything that you need to know is in the question there. Off you go on number 7. Okay, well done, Ruben. Did you have a question, or are you the first person to get the answer?
I think I'm the first person to get the answer.
Okay, well done. So this is just the type of thing that would come up, because all it's doing is checking that, first of all, you can understand the instructions in the question. Secondly, that you can apply what you know. And when I say apply what you know, in this case, it's you know how to add and subtract. That's all that you need to use in this question to figure out the answer. Okay, 3 of you have got it. If you're struggling, remember it says here each row, column, and diagonal adds up to the same number. So the rows go across, the columns go down. So you've got 3 in a row there, 3 in a row, 3 in a row, 3 in a column, 3 in a column, 3 in a column. The diagonals, there's one diagonal, there's the other diagonal. They all add up to the same number. So the first thing to do is to work out what that number is. The only way you're going to get that is by looking carefully at this to see if you can find 3 numbers in a row, or column, or diagonal. You need to unmute yourself.
E.
Did you say B or E? Work out initially. 23 and 27 is 50. Okay, well done, Jamie, Tapas, Shona, Ruben. Okay, I'm going to pick someone who has not got the hand raised just to check that everyone's understanding it. Let's go to Bella, what you got?
I got A.
And what was the first thing that you did, Bella?
I did 8 plus 1 plus 6.
Yeah.
And I got 15
Right.
11ths.
Yeah.
And then I went along the bit that 8 11ths and then C and B. And because they're next to each other, they both have to add up to 7 to get 15.
Yeah.
And it was A and E both added up to 7 for C and B.
Yeah, so these two come to 5, they're 9, they're 13. So you know it's either A or E. Yeah, that's right. And then what did you do?
And then I did
You made it a bit tricky for yourself. The first thing probably to do, the easiest thing was look for two numbers on any row or column or diagonal. And here in the middle column, you've got 9 and 1, which is 10. So C must be 5. Yeah. And once you knew that was 5, you know the B must be 2. So the answer there was E. Yeah. So always have a quick scan because there'll always be 2 numbers on any row or column. Yeah. Everybody okay with that one? Just click on the raise hand button if you're not sure. Okay. Right, we're going to have a go at a slightly trickier one, and then I'll leave the rest for you. Be careful on this one. You need to look carefully at the denominators, so the numbers on the bottom of the fraction. If you haven't realised already, it's much easier if you just draw a quick sketch of this. You don't have to do it accurately with a ruler, just do a big sketch so that you've got space to write down what A, B, C, D, and E are. Yeah? Because you won't be able to remember what all these numbers are. If you're doing it in your head, you're making it difficult for yourself. Okay, well done, Shona. Tapas, you're the first people to get it. If you're struggling and you think you've worked out the answer and it's not there, you need to look again at the denominators. So this one's 3 on the bottom. This is 5, but most of them are 15. So the easiest thing to do is turn them all into equivalent fractions with the denominator, the number on the bottom, as 15. Yeah. So rather than a third, this one's going to be 5/15 in the center. Shamil, I'm not sure whether you joined a bit later. Don't say the answer, but are you okay? Have you figured the answer out, or have you are you stuck?
Yes, I have completed the answer.
Well done. So if you're struggling, remember it's always easier to draw this, and you need to, in order to add and subtract the fractions easily, you'll need to find, well, turn them into the same denominator, which is 15. So about a third of you have got the answer. I'll just give you a little bit longer.
Then how many of us are here?
Sorry? Jamil,
Yes.
were you talking to me or someone else?
I was just asking how many people are here.
20 people.
Okay.
Some people are here twice. Somehow. Okay, let's go through it then. So keep your raised hand button on if you're happy to explain how you did it. Suddenly we've only got 3 people left. Um, uh, 4 people. Mahir, do you want to have a go?
E.
E, what was the first thing you did, Mahir?
So wait a second. I got E.
Do you remember what the magic number was?
I joined a little late, so
Okay, let's go to Shamil. Remember what the magic number was?
Yes. So first I did the middle row, 315, 1/3, and C15.
Yeah.
And I multiplied 1/3 by 5, like the denominator, and I got 15. So then I times the numerator, and I got 5.
Yeah, that's right. So a third is equivalent to 5/15. Okay.
So then I added 4 by 5, and I got 9. Sorry, then I did the diagonal row, which is 4/15, 5/15, and 2/5. And when I added them all together, they made 15.
Yeah, because this is 4/15, that you said is 5/15. If you turn the 2/5 into 15s, well, 1/5 is 3/15, so 2/5 is 6/15.
So then I did the middle row, 3 plus 5 plus 7, which was adding up to 15.
3 plus 5, so that's 8/15, so C must be 7. Yeah, that's right. And once you've got this 7/15s, and you've got 6/15s here.
And then I did the row 2/5, 7/15, and 6/15. I added 6 by 7. I got 13.
Yep.
And then plus 6/15. And so I got the answer 15 yet again. So then I did.
Shall I take over? You said too far, so you did the diagonal, it came to 15/15. You converted the 2/5 to 6/15. Yeah, 6/15 plus this turned into 7/15 is 13/15. So E was 2. Yeah. Once you've got E as 2, this was 5, so that's 7. So A was 8.
A was 8.
Yeah, that's right. And the last one, the tricky one here, you have to turn into 5th. I think we said E was 3/15 plus the 4 is 7. Is that right? Was E 3? Was E, what was E then? You got 6. 3 plus 5/15 is 8/15. So this was 7. This was 6. E was 2/15. Yeah. So what? That 2 plus the 4 is 6. So this has to be 9/15. But it's 5th. So you have to divide it by 3. So the D was actually 3. Yeah. So the answer there, Sienna, what answer did you get?
I got
You're not sure?
I don't think mine's right.
Is everyone okay with how to get to the answer? Yeah. Just can you just click on the raise hand button if you're not sure how to do it? Okay, good. I don't want to work through all of the homework with you, but that's probably one of the trickier questions in there. I will leave the rest of them for you to do. Yeah. That's coming to you later this evening. Okay, we're going to switch from maths. We're going to have a go at a closed VR thing. So we've got a passage here. Elsie, over to you. Ready, Elsie? In some way, you're just going to find out what the connection is and identify the odd word. Off you go. There are your words. Hands up when you think you've got them all.
Something.
Okay. It's a good thing to go through this. You know what a scholar is, Arthur?
No, scholar's the one that's out, because a scholar it doesn't teach you. A scholar is someone who represents the school, I think.
A scholar is someone who is learning. Yeah.
Yeah.
So they're being schooled. Yeah. So that a scholar is basically a pupil. Lecturer, tutor, instructor are all doing the teaching. Yeah. So the first answer there was scholar. Let's go to the second one. Marin, what have you got for the second one? Bit harder, this one.
I put foolish. I don't really know this one, but I just put foolish.
Okay, let's go to Shaylin. What have we got for the second one? I'm not sure whether you're there, Shaylin, because your video's turned off. You're muted as well, so I don't know whether. Let's just try Lyrish. What have we got for the second one?
I got sensible.
You got sensible. Marion got foolish. It's neither of those. Sensible, foolish, cunning. They're all adjectives, and they all might describe a person. They're all character traits. A character trait is an aspect of someone's personality. A trait is the odd one out there. That's a feature of someone's personality. This is a noun, a trait. Yeah, these are all actual traits. A trait is the odd one out there. Yeah, these are examples of traits. The third one. Let's go to Ruben. Third one. Any ideas, Ruben? Muted
Premeditated.
is the right answer. And why is that the right answer? What's the
Because all the others mean kind of random and all over the place.
Yeah, that's right. So the others on this one all is all about the meanings of the words. They all do mean the same thing. Yeah. Okay. Bit trickier. Next one. Let's go.
Yep.
Tapas. Number 16. Tapas.
Recover?
Oh, we're doing number 16. Tapas.
Oh.
The fourth one.
Number 16, Celestial.
Yeah, that's the right answer. And why is that the right answer?
The rest of them are like normal, underground.
Yeah, they all mean the same thing again. Buried, underground, subterranean. Sub means under. Terrain means ground. That was all about meanings as well. Tapas, I think you... Actually, we'll go to someone else. Let's go to... Ellen, the last one. Bella, did you get the last one?
I got nurse.
Not nurse. Tapas, I think you said recover. Why did you say recover?
The others mean to help.
Yeah, they mean to help someone recover from an injury. Yeah? And recover is the odd one out there. Yeah. So the answers were scholar, trait, premeditated, celestial, and on the way down, have you got all 5 right? Okay, well done. Harsha, Lyrish, Poppy, Tapas, Shona. And someone with no name. Is that the Invisible Man? Okay. It's coming up to 6 o'clock. After the break, we're going to do more odd ones out with NVR.
I'm so annoying.
You could